Compound butters are usually savoury, so it's softened butter and you add some herbs or different types of ingredients for fish or steak. But I'm going to take that concept and make a sweet version for a delicious stack of pancakes. So I like to use some really good quality certified organic butter, and this one is salted, and I like the flavour of the salt throughout this compound butter. So that has been softened, and you need it to be soft so it can mix through all our other ingredients. In this bowl, I have some chopped nuts. I've got a mixture of pecan nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts and almonds. We'll add a nice big piece, so 250 grams of the salted butter. To this, I want some sweetness, so some maple syrup, a good glug of that, some vanilla bean paste, about a teaspoon, and this is for my Sunday pancakes, so I think there's nothing wrong with adding a little chocolate to this. So I've got some milk chocolate that has hazelnut through it. So I kind of like the texture of the nuts throughout this compound butter. So we'll use about half of this block, and I'm going to chop that up into small little pieces. So we'll cut that, and then just use a sharp knife just to make little shards of this chocolate so it'll speckle throughout our delicious salted butter. In it goes. Grab a spoon and then mash everything together, and you can see why I need that butter to be soft, just so it really takes on all the flavours that we've included in that bowl. Give that a really good mix, and once it's combined and all the ingredients have evenly distributed throughout the butter, we can roll this up. So grab a long piece of cling film and we'll just pop our butter in the centre, and then use the Glad wrap to form a perfect cylinder. So spread that out, completely cover it, and then squish it into a cylinder. We'll tie one side, and then after you've tied one side, you can actually roll this into the log. Tie the other side, and this is ready to be chilled. Now you don't want to cut into it straight away, you do want to firm it up, and if you want it to last for a really long time, just place it in the freezer and you can just cut off the segments when you want it. And this is what it should look like when it comes out of the fridge. It's nice and firm and ready to serve. So I'll grab a sharp knife, I'll cut the end off, and let's take a nice big piece of this. We'll take the plastic off. We'll pop this compound butter on top, and I like to just coat the top layer just so it's got that beautiful sheen. And as that sits there, gently, it's going to melt. Don't forget, pancakes aren't complete without extra maple syrup. So we'll add a little more on top, and that right there is a really happy stack of pancakes with sweet compound butter.